I'm gonna teach Ashton how to build a pinhole camera with a camera body cap. What I gotta do is drill a hole with this Dremel into the center. Ashton's gonna puncture the metal with this pin, and then we'll tape it all together inside the cap, put it on the body, and then we'll show you guys some of the shots that we get from it. For those of you who do not know, pinhole photography is probably the oldest form of photography. Somewhere out in the Middle East, a guy built a tent and then painted a picture using a hole in the tent against the wall, and it took several days to get the exposure. And that's because pinhole photography creates apertures upwards of 200 f-stops or more, depending on the size of the hole. So, Ashton, you ready to get started?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Awesome. So put your safety glasses on. Can't find mine.
Should we say kids don't do this at home?
Ah, we don't need to give that warning. No kid's gonna try this.
Yeah.
Oh, did it come off? Just kind of hold that. Probably should have shown you this before we got started.
We should wait for the glue to dry off.
All right, so go on ahead and push it. Push it down. Okay. Push harder. Oh, popped. Keep pushing. Make sure we get it in there. And then we got that pinhole. You see?
Grown up.
And we'll make sure that it's all even. So you want to make sure the hole is centered as much as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is pretty jerry-rigged anyway. Go on ahead and tape the edges. Yep. Yep, slowly. Yep. You always want to use black gaff tape to try to reduce as much glare as possible, because you don't want any kind of light leak.
Do listen to the professional.
So. Yeah. What are you playing? Sitting there playing a game. We're sitting there working right now, man. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the C100, and we'll see how the footage looks from this perspective. 'Cause I haven't seen a pinhole on like a cinema body, so I was definitely really curious to see how this turns out.
I'm actually very, very curious.
So the focus is pretty soft.
Which is probably part of it.
I mean, well, like pinholes in their old style tech, plus this one is probably not that great for photography stuff. We'll also try it on a stills camera. One thing I did hear is that it causes some gnarly flaring. You want to see this?
Yeah.
Focal length looks like it's like an 85 or more. Like, it's really weird. But look at this flaring in the sun. Yeah, you see all that?
Yeah.
You wanna hold it?
Sure.
See? It's really tight.
It's the sun. Do you see any spiders on me?
No.
Okay, because, like, I don't know, but for some reason there's like pieces of spider web, I think.
It did focus it a little bit. It wasn't the sharpest focus, but it did work. That's the key. You gotta focus in. That's why glass is so much better than this, because it's a lot sharper, because you have all the optics honing the image in. Without that, then the sensor would just be that blob of grayish white. That's it. Thanks for joining.
Yeah.